Now we are going to talk about discrimination and inequality. Discrimination and inequality में पहले हम बात करेंगे discrimination. Discrimination क्या होता है? Discrimination is the unjust treatment of a person or a group of person. हम unjust हो जाते हैं उनके साथ. हमें याद ही नहीं रहता कि they are equal to us. हम कुछ भी कई बार गलत भी बोल देते हैं, कई बार हम उनसे मिसट्रीट भी करते हैं उनको, यहाँ से चले जाओ, गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, कि हम किसी ग्रुप या किसी पर्सन के लिए बिल्कुल अनजस्ट हो गए, बिल्कुल अनफेयर कर रहे हैं उनके लिए. सो दैट इज व्हाट द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. दे टू हैव द सेम राइट्स. वो अपनी बात रख नहीं सकते. दे हैव अ फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, दे हैव अ फ्रीडम टू लिव, दे हैव अ फ्रीडम टू ट्रैवल. पर हम क्या करते हैं? हम उनको कैच होल्ड करने की कोशिश करते हैं, अपने हिसाब से चलाने की कोशिश करते हैं, एंड दैट बिकम्स द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. यानी कि हम उनसे डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहे हैं, राइट? देन इट इज अ लैक ऑफ फीलिंग ऑफ इक्वालिटी अमंग पीपल. और ये क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जब हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि दीज पीपल आर इक्वल टू अस, राइट? वो कोई भी हो सकते हैं. दे कैन बी योर सर्वेंट्स, दे कैन बी योर मेड्स, दे कैन बी योर एनी हाउस हेल्प, या यू कैन से कि कोई बाहर है जिनको आप पसंद नहीं करते, तो यू डिस्क्रिमिनेट देम अकॉर्डिंग टू योर विश, राइट? देन डाइवर्सिटी इज नॉट अंडरस्टूड एंड एप्रिशिएटेड कैन लीड टू मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड कैन बिकम द सोर्स ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. बेटा मैं आपकी बुक से एग्जैक्ट टर्म इसलिए बता रही ताकि आप बुक रीड करेंगे तो यू विल नॉट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. तो डाइवर्सिटी, अब हमारी कंट्री कितनी डाइवर्स है, कितने लोग रहते हैं, कितने कल्चर्स फॉलो करते हैं, कितने सारे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस हैं, रिलीजियस प्लेसेस हैं. और अगर हम ये सब भूल जाएं कि ये हमारे इक्वल हैं, तो दैट कैन क्रिएट अ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. और फिर क्या होगा? सिर्फ हमारे यहाँ सिर्फ लड़ाई लड़ाई और लड़ाई. सो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन तब होता है जब डाइवर्सिटी को हम ढंग से नहीं समझते, हम उनको अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते. अगर किसी ने आपके लिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपको साउथ इंडियन पसंद नहीं है, बट यू वेंट टू साउथ इंडिया और आपको सिर्फ वहाँ पे साउथ इंडियन ही खाने को मिला, तो यू कैन नॉट शाउट एट देम और यू कैन नॉट से मैं नहीं खाता ये साउथ इंडियन खाना. यू हैव टू अप्रिशिएट देम. आई लाइक, you can say I don't like South Indian food, but I like more North Indian food. तो क्या आप मेरे लिए can you arrange North Indian food for me? So this is how you can appreciate them as well, and you can keep your things in front of them. So might be they will be very helpful for you. पर अगर आपने बोल दिया straight away मुझे तो South Indian पसंद ही नहीं है, मैं नहीं खा सकता, तो वो आप बोलेंगे ठीक है तो कहीं और जाके खाओ, I don't have any problem. राइट? तो हमको ये सब चीजें बहुत ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.
Children, in the similar chapter, chapter number 21, Prejudice, Discrimination and Inequality, we are going to talk about discrimination now. In the previous lectures, I have talked about stereotype, prejudice, what are their effects, what are their causes. But this time, I am going to talk about discrimination. So what is discrimination? Discrimination is an unjust treatment of a person or group of persons on the basis of prejudice without regard to individual merit. तो हम discriminate करते हैं लोगों को या किसी group of people को on the basis of prejudice. ये भी prejudice का ही एक result होता है. Without mentioning their individual merit. Might be they are very good at something. Individual, they are very good. But we consider them into a one group and then we treat them like that wise, right? For example, in discrimination class, when we do comparison specially, right? Like class 6A is very good and class 6B is not at all good. So this is how we are discriminating between the two classes, right? Then prejudice arising out of diversity and lack of feeling of equality among people can also lead to discrimination. So basically it is a result of prejudice. Why it happens? Because when it arises from the diversity, our country is very diverse and there is lack of feelings of equality. When people don't consider other people equal as they are, right? Then it leads to the discrimination. Now, let us understand now what is inequality. So, inequality is a condition of being unequal, which arises from unequal status, unequal resources or unequal opportunities. तो inequality किस वजह से होती है? जब हम लोगों को दूसरा unequal समझने लगते हैं कि they are not of my status, they don't have the resources which I have, right? Like I have a big car or the SUV, so they are not of my standard, right? And sometimes we inequality is also because of the opportunities that they don't get the opportunity. What do we get? For example, if we talk about nowadays, then people with the special category, right? So they are treating the other people unequal. Why? Because they have the reserved things for themselves that we can go ahead. We have this opportunity, right? But they don't have. So this is what inequality arises because of the prejudice and because of the unequal status, unequal resources, and unequal opportunities. Then there can be social inequalities also, which arises due to the caste system. Caste system, I have already explained you that there are major four caste system in India. If we talk about, then two are the upper caste and two are the low caste, or the you can say the backward classes. So people definitely do unequal behavior with them when they consider themselves as the most, you can say the most uh, intelligent people, or they are of the upper caste, right? So this is how the social inequalities also develop because of the rigid caste system. Then there can be economic inequalities. Why? Because of the unequal distribution of income and wealth. क्योंकि उनकी इनकम और जो उनकी वेल्थ है यानी कि पैसा, राइट, लाइक मनी, so there might be their income is high, might be they have lot of money, so which makes them rich. So this is also the this is also known as the economic inequalities, right? So there is no in this picture it is said that don't be afraid of to be different. So we should be equal, we should consider ourselves equal and we should treat others also equally. Now, what is the role of religion and discrimination? Discrimination can be due to religious differences. Religious differences की वजह से हो सकता है कि I am Hindu, you are Muslim, you are Christian, you are you belong to Zoroastrianism, right? So this is how the religion discriminates us. This occurs when people following a particular religion are treated differently, usually unfairly, by the followers of the another religion. तो दूसरे जो religion है वो उनको unfairly treat करते हैं. So this is what happens when one particular religion is treated unequally. Okay, fine. So now caste system and discrimination. So you can see this slab. There is a slab I have given. So in this, if we see Indian caste system, then Brahmins or priests are at the top. Then Kshatriyas, like kings, rulers, warriors, right? Then there are Vaishyas, merchants, craftsmen, landowners, skilled workers, etc. Then there are Shudras, farm workers, unskilled workers, servants. And then last is the Dalits, that we known as untouchables, like street sweepers, clean up human animal waste, deal and with dead bodies. So they all are the Dalits. So caste system also conceived to facilitate smooth running of a social system in the ancient time. Caste system इसलिए लाई गई थी कि उससे बहुत सारी चीजें सॉल्व होंगी, but it has become a major issue of discrimination. Now there is the higher caste and lower caste problem, right? The people of the higher caste doesn't treat the other caste people equally. Then higher caste are biased against the lower caste. That's what I want to say, that they become biased with those people, and especially the you can see the last one with the Dalits, which are known as untouchables. So this is what the caste system and the discrimination. Then there is a racial diversity and discrimination. So I have already spoke about it. Then if the person with the other color might be the of the dark complexion, that creates a discrimination, right? So discrimination can be because of the color also, or the grounds of color, you can say. So in if we talk about the policy of apartheid, so apartheid is a policy which is practiced by South Africa, is an example of discrimination based on racial diversity, right? So you will read further about this in the next chapter. Now, gender disparity and discrimination. So gender like female, male. So we generally do discrimination between the two, right? And we treat them unequally. Might be, it can be the income wise, it can be the wages wise, it can be with the salary wise. So that is known as the gender disparity and discrimination, right? Then many countries of the world women face discrimination. So बहुत सारी ladies को भी discrimination face करना पड़ता है, especially in the Muslim countries, if you will see. Then infant mortality rate is higher among girls. Why? Because when people get to know that there is a girl child in the womb, right? So that creates a infant mortality because people kill them, right? Then economic inequality and discrimination, I just spoke about it. Economic inequality arises out of disparity in the distribution of wealth and income. When there is a difference between the income and the wealth. So that is known as the economic inequality. So I hope you understand what is the discrimination, and thank you and have a nice day.